I'm Greg Boyko. I'm from Fairfield, California, and I have been on Keep It Off since I started September 25th, 2022. So as of today, I have lost 85.4 pounds. But basically, I lost the 85 pounds in 3.5 months, which everybody is telling me is amazing. But I just did what I was told to do, working with the physician. And that's what I really respected about this diet. And that's why I'm doing this diet or Keep It Off or this journey, is because it is medically supervised. I joined or was applied for this and was accepted because of my diabetes and because of my blood sugar. I got to a point where I don't know why I was eating sugar. I was doing different things. I just, either I didn't care or I just felt that it would get better, but it didn't. So that's why. But my triglycerides, before I started, when the doctor took my blood, it was 315. That's dangerous. Now I'm at 81. I have been insulin free for 2.5 weeks, and I've been averaging maybe 119, 111, my sugar 110, 98, and I just think it's phenomenal. My lower back was always hurting. If I did anything, my lower back hurt for 2 or 3 days. This joint, I thought I was getting arthritis, and it was really bugging me, and it was popping, and it was just like, it was just ridiculous. And we have property, and if I do different things on the property and up and down in the ladder, I feel it for 2 or 3 days. Sure, I'm out of shape. Sure, I'm 60, but it's kind of like, oh, Well, my lower back doesn't hurt anymore. My fingers are fine. It feels like I don't have any arthritis or anything in my fingers. I feel better. My step is more brisk, I just feel different when I walk. I feel better. About 2-3 months ago or something like that, I bought new tennis shoes, and they're the ones to help make you walk better. I felt very unbalanced on them. I thought maybe I got a pair that was too small for me. Well, guess what? It was me, because now I wear them and they're absolutely just wonderful. It was me. I have, with the pounds that I've lost, this is all new clothes. I've had to. People go, you get rid of your fat clothes and you keep your skinny clothes. That's what people have told me. And I've lost about 4 or 5 inches on my waist. And I actually could take my hands, I called them clown pants, where I could move and the pants stayed, those big pants and I just got these pants. I maybe should have got them along maybe 2 or 3 weeks earlier, but my biggest fear, anxiety, is gaining it back. But what is this called? It's called Keep It Off. It's not taking it off. It's you take it off. And then when you get to that point, the whole gist of this is to keep it off. And so that's why I'm working with these dietitians now and that, where we do our Zoom meetings and they're teaching us. And now I'm on the reintroduction of foods. I'm just finished step A. Now I'm on step B, where I'm introducing calories, getting off my meal replacements. I did not have any apprehension because it was very important to be medically supervised. I just didn't want to go to the supermarket and buy it or buy it off the TV, and I don't have to go into all the different names. Everybody knows all the different names, and you just eat it. We've had friends that have done that, and then as soon as they quit, they just gain it all back. And you've heard people, I've been on 9 diets, I've gained it all back. I'm tired of being on diets, I've gained it back. I've done this, I've gained it back. And what I saw with this was the true interest because of my medications, because of my insulin, because of different things. I knew I was going to change medically. But I was on option 1 for the meal replacements. I enjoyed it. It's easy. That became my security blanket. I just would choose my meal plan and my meal packet and or my meal replacement, and I just would have it. It's like, cool. And I've gotten my favorite ones. I've got my chocolate. I've got my vanilla. I have my vanilla every breakfast. I just sit there. I just love it. I make it the night before. There it is for me in the morning. That has been very easy for me, and I just enjoyed the meal replacements. It's been hard for me to start going, okay, now you're going to have a protein meal. What? I have to cook? I have to do something? I have to have my wife help me now? You got to decide, you got to make your menus, you got to make that. That has been hard for me. But with this reintroduction, I realized that they go over and over and over and over. And what does repetition do? All of a sudden you go, okay, I'm starting to get it. And that's what has been helpful for me. I didn't realize that I had emotional eating because I was like, I'm fine. Not me. It's always somebody else, not me. I have support. I mean, people realized about my clothes changing. People don't realize until you change your clothes. This weekend, Saturday, we went to Walnut Creek and I bought 5 shirts. It was awesome. And they have pants there too. The guy goes, why don't you try on a pair? Nah, I'm not going to try a pair. I'm usually a 40, 42. So he gives me a 42. They were huge. 40, 38. And I said, get me a 36. And he goes, okay. I put it on and it fit beautifully. And he looks at me, we were joking each other, and he goes, it's a 35. And I went, oh my gosh. And so I bought those 2. Did I spend more than I should have? Yes. Was it worth it? Yes. Did I reach my goal on that? Yes. And it was so important for me to get those shirts. So I wore 1 shirt and a pair of pants to church. Everybody's like, whoa, what happened to you? I felt like saying, I've been the same guy for 3.5 months losing this weight. But clothes shows. Clothes matters. Walking here, I'm walking briskly. I just feel good. I feel. And how many people don't check themselves out in the window when you walk by a big plate glass window? We all check ourselves out. And I checked myself walking here today, and it was like, cool. That's it. And I think I've about covered. And I'm so grateful to this program, and I'm grateful to you for your patience.